Evening, friends. Mike from Just Car People Things here. We are working on our 2004 Tundra, our new little project truck. Needs a few odds and ends, kind of working through some things. Notice that while our marker lights here are relatively clear, our headlights are not. And so I just took a moment and used a little bit of Meguiar's. Oh, let me set my polishing pad down here. Meguiar's Plastics, great product, relatively reasonably priced. Probably pay about $7, $6 for this little bottle. Goes a long ways, lasts for years. So on the top, I just did a first pass in like 2 seconds with that. You can just see that first kind of top rung, how clear that is. Now you see down here, not so clear. You can see the reflection there. So quick tip, quick advice. Always start with a product like this first. It's relatively inexpensive. You can go to town on one of these lights, and I'll jump back here and just show you a little bit of a before and after by comparing these lights in a moment. So here we are back at Just Car People Things, just maybe, 2 minutes later. I have to check the timestamp. This is our headlight over here. This was 2 full passes with a little bit of elbow grease. Microfiber pad. Look at the crap we pulled off that. Look at the color. And that one's clear. And here's the one we haven't touched. There's that guy. How cloudy that is by comparison. Just to get that one more time. There's the clear one. There's the not so clear one. Let me tell you, for just a few bucks, a little bit of elbow grease, bottle of plastics, amazing. And this is, potentially the difference between life and death, folks, because if you can see that extra 50 feet down the road, you're gonna see that deer before you hit it. You're gonna see that pedestrian before you hit them at night, and that's super important. Keep up on this, even when you have a newer car, like a new Camaro 1LE over there, go through, take the time, take the effort, polish your stuff up, keep it protected, and make sure that it looks really nice. But what a wild difference between those two scenes. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Always happy to share stuff like this. Just some easy things to do to keep your car looking tip-top, running great, looking great. Appreciate you guys liking, subscribing. Thanks.